Here's how to enable Team Create on Roblox Studio. So if you want to build a Roblox game with your friends, you're gonna have to open up Roblox Studio and open up the game. Now, once we do that, we just have to click on collaborate in the top right corner. So as you can see, we can share our project and start building together. So click on that. Now, as you can see, we're gonna have to save our game to Roblox to start collaborating. So simply click on save to Roblox. Now here we're gonna have to enter a basic name description. Then we can choose the creator here, devices, and then here we're gonna have to enable team create. So once we do that, we just have to click on save, and then we just have to wait. So basically after we do that, so as you can see, successfully saved. If we go back here, now as you can see, we're gonna have to basically close the game. So we're gonna have to simply quit Roblox Studio and then simply open the game again. So once we open up the game experience again, we just have to click on collaborate again. And then as you can see here, we'll be able to add users and groups. Now you're gonna see the owner, which should be you. And then from here, we can simply select from our friends list, or you can simply search for them. And then here, as you can see, they can edit, and then they can play test this game. So if you want to add playtesters before you release the game, you can do that by simply inviting them and select playtest here. Now once you do that, simply click on save, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.